If you want to add some small but noticeable mods to your Mustang, no matter what year you have, this MP Concepts Coyote emblem will be a great place to start. Now, this is going to be for you if you're in search of some aggressive red and black accents for your Mustang and or want to boast the Coyote motor under your hood with a good-looking emblem. Now, as you can see, this will feature bright red styling with that contrasting black accent there to really make this pop no matter where you mount this on your car. Now, speaking of that, this will have universal fitment, so you can really put this wherever you'd like, on the grill, rear deck lid, quarter panel, or wherever it fits to your personal preference when it comes to your build. Now, this will also come with brackets for your grill if you choose to mount it up there, and 3M tape. So if you choose to mount this up somewhere else, you can do so as well again. Now, keep in mind that this is, again, universal fitment, so this may require minor modification in order to fit it, depending on where you place it. Now, as you can probably assume, this is going to be incredibly simple when it comes to the construction. The emblem itself is made of a molded ABS plastic construction. Now, ABS is also incredibly strong and used for many exterior aftermarket mods, so you can ensure that this is going to hold up on the front end to kick up on the street. And the brackets will be made of a steel material as well, being sturdy enough to hold it in place, and will include the hardware needed for install. Now, this 3M tape here is also automotive grade 3M tape, so you can ensure that that is going to stay in place, especially mounted up to the front. When it comes to price, this is going to be incredibly affordable at roughly $30, making this one of the most budget-friendly mods that you could probably do, and it's going to make a big difference even with how small it is. Now, the red will really pop, making your grill or wherever else you put it stand out and turn some heads, making this overall a no-brainer when it comes to adding this to your Mustang. Now, install again may require some modification depending on your setup in order to fit this up, but it should still be a very easy 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, taking you about 15 minutes to get this on. Now, speaking of the install, one of our customers here at AM has installed this on their Mustang and is going to walk you through what they did to get this on their car. So that is going to wrap it up for me. Let's go ahead and get into it.
Tools that we will be needing is pretty simple. Just a basic Phillips driver. You can use an impact driver, or you can use the normal ones like as long as you have a Phillips head, you can use it. So, but I just find it to use the impact drill just because it's gonna be more simple. So, without further ado, let's get started. So, first bag that we will be opening, it will be the one with the hardware. So, what we find in the bag is gonna be metal bracket, and then we have like 2 large brackets, I guess. Then we have 2 screws, and we also have the glue. We won't be needing this right now, so let's just put that aside. So first, we're gonna go ahead and choose where you want to put it and make sure it's the right place that you want it to be at. So I have chosen to be right here. Okay, so now the way this thing works is that you put the screw through here, and then it's gonna come in here, and then your grill is gonna be right here in the middle. So basically it looks like this. You put it right here. You bring your finger to the back, and then it's gonna go like that. And it's also gonna be one at the bottom. So the way you do this is grab like a finger and hold it to the back. Try not to drop it. Okay, and what I find easy to do is just try to screw it in with your finger as much as you can. So like this, as you can see better, just try to screw it in with your finger as much as you can. And whenever you have the perfect spot, grab your drill or screwdriver. Just drill it in. I think right there should be good. And now we grab the second screw and the second bracket. So we go ahead and do the same thing. Try to screw it in with your finger as much as you can. And then just drill it with the driver. Okay, as you can see, it's secure. So now, this is the second step to put the glue in. So take the two metal holes out. Don't remove the red is gonna be facing upwards. So go ahead and remove the one in the back. Don't remove the red sticker yet. Just remove the one in the back. Make sure it's lined up correctly. And then press it in to make sure we have a nice bond. And then you can peel off the red one. So go ahead and remove the seal. And now just line it up. Go ahead and press down on it to make sure we have a nice bond. Okay. And that should do it.
So that's going to wrap it up for my review and the install of this MP Concepts Coyote emblem, fitting all year and model Mustangs. And remember, for all things Mustang, keep it right here at AmericanMuscle.com.